In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Trends for commodities like gold, fast, and easy. First, let's start by opening your web browser and heading over to Google. In the search bar, type in Google Trends and press Enter. You'll see a list of results. But go ahead and click on the first link you see. This will take you directly to the Google Trends homepage, a powerful tool that provides insights into search trends over time. Once you're on the Google Trends homepage, you'll see an option called Explore right there on the main menu. Click on that and you're ready to dive into analyzing different trends. Now, since we're interested in commodities like gold, you'll want to search for terms related to commodities. In the search bar at the top, type in keywords such as gold price, gold investment, buy gold, oil price, or silver price. These keywords will give you a comprehensive view of how often these topics are searched on the internet. Don't forget to press Enter after you type in each keyword to display the trend graph. With your trend graph in view, take a closer look at the options at the top of the chart. Here, you can set your target location, choosing a specific region or country that you're interested in analyzing. Alongside location, another crucial aspect is the time range. For a broader, more detailed analysis, you might choose to look at data from the past 5 years. However, if you're interested in more recent trends, selecting the past 12 months could give you a sharper, more current snapshot of public interest. Now it's time to delve into analyzing these trends over time. As you scrutinize the graph, be on the lookout for spikes and valleys. Spikes typically correlate with significant market volatility or noteworthy global news events. On the other hand, a steady upward trend might indicate a growing interest, possibly tied to market rallies or popular investment periods. Conversely, a persistent downtrend might suggest waning public interest. Scrolling down, you'll find related topics and queries that can further enrich your analysis. You might come across topics like ETFs, mining stocks, or even gold futures. Pay special attention to these, especially to rising or breakout queries. They could indicate emerging trends or investment opportunities that are just gaining traction. Lastly, Google Trends allows you to compare different terms. To do this, simply hit the plus compare button, and you can juxtapose different currency pairs or terms. For instance, you can compare EUR/USD against GBP/USD, or even pit Forex trading against crypto trading. Exploring these comparisons can provide valuable insights into which markets are currently engaging the public interest. Similarly, you can compare terms like gold price versus silver price or gold investment against real estate investment to determine which might be attracting more public investment interest. By following these steps, you'll be using Google Trends efficiently to track and analyze commodity interest trends, providing you valuable insights whether for personal investment strategy or market analysis.